So now let's see how we can work around with the erode effect inside of GIMP. So if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that the pixels of this particular image is quite sharp. But if you want to go around and mix it out together, then you can go around onto filter, and then you can go around onto generic right here, and you can see that erode is an option. So once you go around and erode it, then you can see that the dark pixels right here becomes larger right here, and it erodes out the pixels together right here. The overall outlook is softer but darker as well. Similarly, you can go around over here onto filter right here, and then go around onto, let's say, generic, and erode this out, and what happens is that it goes around and blends it out all together again, and you can see that the pixels become larger. You can go around over here onto, let's say, generic right here, click on erode, and it becomes softer and softer as you apply more to it right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with erode option inside of GIMP. That is the erode filter. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.